Hello, today I am going to walk you through application sharing as well as web pushing. Application sharing is the ability for teachers or moderators to take the students on a web tour, and students kind of just follow the instructor the entire time. They can't click on any links from the internet. They just follow the teacher. Web push, I always think about P as in push, participants, where the participants lead the web tour. So you can push a link out to the students, and the students will get a new window that will that they can interact with. They can click on the links and kind of go do their own thing on the internet. Let me go ahead and show you application sharing first. If you click on this button in your classroom, then you can see all the different options that I have opened already. So let's say I want to take them on a tour through the SBEC website. I have it opened already, so that's key, is to have that window opened already so you can select. I hardly ever will share my desktop with my students because they will see everything that pops up, emails, instant messages. So you don't want to do that. You'll just make sure that you do choose what you want to share with your students, or limit what you want to share with your students. Okay, once I'm there, you can see that there is a yellow outline, and whatever the students see in that yellow outline, whatever the yellow outline is, is what the students will see. So just take note that as you are doing the web tour, that there is a little lag time when you are scrolling down the information. There is a little lag on the student's side. So this would not be the best option if you were to bring up a YouTube informational or educational video that you want to share, because there will be some lag time. All right. Let's go back here in the main room. If I want to kind of web push something to my students, so a new window will pop up, I choose the icon with the world. And then what you do is you'll just kind of enter in the URL there. So same website, you can have the students follow you, or you can uncheck this and the students can kind of take control of that website. And so once you're there, you just kind of click enter. And you'll see that it pops up here for them to kind of browse through. And you can click unfollow me, or so that the students can do it on their own. Alright, so if I want to share a video, an awesome video with my students, and I don't want to have that lag time that we discussed, as well as all these different advertisements here, the first thing I'll do is I'm going to grab that URL link, I'm going to copy it, and then I am going to upload it on SafeShare. SafeShare TV will get rid of all of those advertisements that you can safely share that video with your students. So I'm going to generate it, and here we go. I'm going to hide all those buttons below the player if I want to or not, and click submit. And SafeShare will create a safe link that I can copy and paste and share with my students. If I come back in the classroom here, I can put it down in the chat box and go, hey students, you can access my video through the chat box, and they can, that link becomes interactive in the chat box that they can click on, or you can do a web tour and put it here, and the video will show up for the students without the distractions of the advertisements of YouTube and whatnot. Okay, let me show you one more trick. Another option is to bring a video into the Blackboard room that you can safely share with the students. You can go ahead and do that by grabbing your video. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab that that YouTube video. Once you've decided on the video that you want to share, go up to the URL, and in between the www dot and then YouTube, you're going to put SS, click enter. From there, the system will allow you to download different versions of that video. So here I have an MP3 or MP3-4. I'm going to click on this one here, the MP3-4. And I am going to download it. See, it's downloading here. And then I'm going to save this on my desktop. So here's my video, and I'm using Chrome. I'm going to grab this video holding onto my mouse and drag it onto my desktop. And there it is right there. Okay, so now what I need to do is I'm going to go back into the Blackboard room, and I will go to Tools and go actually Windows and Media, Show Media Library. Click on it, and then I'm going to upload that file. Okay, so I'm going to find it on my desktop. And here it goes right there, Understanding and Explaining Equivalent Fractions. I'm going to open that. And it's going to take a while for it to download, so you'll want to do this before class starts. Alright, once it is completed, then all you have to do when you're ready to play it is go back up here to the Media, under Windows, Media Library, click on it and press play. And it will, every student on their computer will have this little window that will pop up, and it will play the video safely for them without any lag. Now you have to let the students know that depending on their internet speed, the video will either play quickly or it will take time for it to download and show on their end. And that is it. Thank you for listening.